They think I got it. I'm gonna put that glue down. Give him the right lane. Try to do it. Try to get his ass. I'm gonna try to get a look at him. Right line for the win.
Okay, check this out. When they get up there, you reach right this. Say that you like anchovies on that pizza.
Yeah, I want anchovy. Hey, y'all. Oh, you saw the video?
Yeah, great.
Yeah, let me get some anchovies on that pizza.
The lady
with
was
some pepperoni. The lady was confused.
Yo, on the phone.
On what part?
Beginning.
Do you know Limpy? Do you know Limpy? Yeah, I could take Diamond with me since she don't wait nothing. Let her record.
You know, say that again.
Hey, look out. You know Limpy.
Hey, man. You know 100 to 20. I go up. 100 to 20. Okay, 100 to 20. I know how to make a motherfucker bag up like an ice cream truck. Give me a fuzz ball, say motherfucker. Give me 100 to 20, man. You ain't scared like this.
Come on, you ain't scared like that.
I've seen these guys race that truck. I've seen these consistent riding.
Come on, 100 to 20, man.
Look out, bro.
Give me
Come on, 100 to 20,
Give me
man.
100 to 20.
Which side you got then?
Hey,
I got that side.
You ain't
Okay.
scared, look out. Give me 100 right there. Hey, man.
Hey!
No, I'm talking about if you gave me 100 to 20, you won 20.
How? Did you have the truck too? I had the truck as well.
No, I'm talking about you would have won 20 if you gave.
I even told him I took the truck.
Yeah, he said he wanted the truck.
Watch the footage.
Yeah, he said he wanted the truck.
Oh, you gonna give me 100 to 20?
I got this side.
100 to 20? So what's the bet? What's the bet? 100 to 20?
I got this.
Okay. 100 to 20.
Everything go. If they red like they lose.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold up, man. If they red like they lose.
Yeah, whoever.
Oh, hell no.
Everything go. Everything go.
Everything go, man.
Everything go 100 to 20.
Everything go. Give me
100 to 20. 100 to 20. Everything go.
20. Everything go. No, hell no.
Right line for the win.
I'm gonna get their ass off of me.
Oh, you know how to get him out? Let's get. He want everything to go.
Yeah, he would have to give me 100.
I don't trust no more drivers.
Yeah, he can't no trust.
He don't trust it. He don't trust.
Hey, man, you have to put trust sometimes.
Sometimes you gotta put trust, man.
What trust?
Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit! I was thinking that was him. Yeah, I'm gonna check the tires. All right, y'all. This is first pass at Yello Belly. Back on TikTok, see what they talking about. Y'all think he gonna make a full pass? Y'all finna run this truck in a minute, y'all. Sound like it won't idle down. Okay, they done turned it off. They finna, it was idled up for some reason. I don't know if it's fuel injected or carbureted. It look like it probably be carbureted. Let me see. Oh yeah, they finna pop the hood. This fuel injected or carbureted? Carbureted, it's carbureted.
The track is trash. Well, you go to XRP. Exactly why I go to XRP.
Oh, okay.
You'd still be
Yeah, they finna peek up under there and see if they can get everything situated real quick. About to go ahead and get a tune adjustment real quick.
Tell them.
Huh? No full pass. No full pass. I already asked everybody on TikTok.
I doubt he can run 6.0.
Huh? You doubt it?
Yeah, I doubt it.
Oh yeah. Okay.